Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Hello, Team Bella, and welcome to Faith Fridays. I'm Miranda, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, here with the plan with me in my Faith Planner. Before we get started, if you enjoyed the video, please show me some love by giving me the thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you're currently studying or working on in your Faith Planner. And last but not least, if you've not had the opportunity to join one of the best planner squads out there, Team Bella, then what are you waiting for? We would love to have you here. Hit that subscribe button below and don't forget about the notification bell. All right, so we are planning for, by the time you see this video, it will be Friday the 21st, but this is for the week of May 17th through the 22nd. And I'm excited because I am using stickers from my girl Jessica over at Live Love Posh. I have not only selected my stickers, I pulled a few washi tapes from Simply Gilded to help us pull things together. I left the stickers. How's that gonna work? Okay. So, what we're gonna do is we are going to use this sticker book, Posh Blooms and Icons, and we're gonna focus on these stickers here. You know why? Because they have purple, hashtag purple spread for lupus. We could tie it all together. Okay. So this is, and for those of you who are new, I have two parts to my Faith Planner. One is this line vertical, which I perform like a daily devotional on this. There's room to write my scripture and also a reflection. I also use a horizontal planner, and the horizontal planner I use to for my congregation book study. And this week we are studying Numbers 32 and 33. So that, of course, is exciting. One thing I can tell you is, I don't know if you have recently read Numbers, but one of the things we're going to be talking about is the commandment that God gave his people at the time, the chosen people, the Israelites, to kind of set them up for success. And before they moved permanently into the promised land, he commanded that they should go and get rid of anything that could stumble them or they could fall prey to. So, you know, the people that lived in the promised land, they were pagans. So they worshiped, you know, pagan gods and statues and things like that. So they were commanded to remove those things. And then of course, you know, they were rewarded for their obedience. They inherited and they got to own that. He blessed their efforts, so they were able to own the possess the land. So that was their blessing. Okay, so what we're gonna do, of course, is I like to start with my washi tape, and I typically speed this up, but I'm gonna do it a little different this week. I'm gonna go ahead and put down my actual I'm gonna put down my florals. So now this one is a long one. It's a little different from ones I've seen. I guess it could go this way, but because I like my stuff to look a little different, I think I may. Don't know. I don't know if I want it to go up this way and we just do two on the sides. We could do that. All right, so we'll go there. And then I have this retractable X-Acto knife, and we'll just trim off the excess. Okay, perfect. And we don't get rid of stickers. We do not throw stickers away here. That's not what we do. It's not how we operate. So I think that looks very pretty. It looks like a floor of florals. All right, so one thing I do like about these Live Love Posh stickers is that she normally has 2 pages. so that if you wanted to duplicate your efforts and make your spread look pretty cohesive like I'm doing here, you're able to do that. So we're gonna come here and we're gonna add this floral. Okay, yes. And I probably should have grabbed some wax paper just to lay it down on so that it can remove some of the sticky. Okay, so let's grab that and let's lay this on here. Okay, because especially with a sticker this long, sometimes maneuvering can be a challenge. I know for me, maybe not for everyone, but for me, sometimes trying to get everything to lay up straight and the way I want it, I find to be challenging. All right, perfecto. All right, we're gonna grab this X-Acto knife and we're gonna go ahead and we're going to trim it right. Hopefully it's not too crooked. Okay. Guess it isn't. And I can just come here and let's take that off. Loving it. Okay. All right. Let's see how that looks. Gorgeous. That is so pretty. Okay, so we have those down there. Now I think that we shouldn't ignore the corners up top. Okay, so I'm feeling this sticker, which I'm tearing it. Even though I'm feeling it, I'm tearing it. All right, we're gonna take that and then we're just gonna trim it off. Just trim that corner. And then all the little pieces I feel like we can incorporate around the spread. Okay. All right. Now I think that we can also get another piece and probably, I'm comfortable with putting it over there, honestly. Right there where it says May. And take it and come this way. And then I'm going to trim that off. I'm good with this. All right, that's part A. So we have everything together here, perfect for me. All right, now let us, ooh, wait a minute. I found another little piece of a floral. We got to get another piece of a floral. Maybe over here, because we did not put this piece here. Okay. Let's go. Yes. Piece of that over there. Perfect. Okay. So let us go ahead and grab this and let's try to neutralize this. I'm gonna put down the washi and then I'll be right back. note there, and I need my paper. So I have this. Be the reason someone smiles today. All right, we're not bringing that back up. But what we are doing is prepping our page to take our notes. I am prepping that for sure. Y'all, I got stickers all over my clothes. Like I have been through a sticker war or something. All right. So I really like this here. Beautiful. Okay. And then I feel like on the back we could do the same thing. So we finished that whole page of stickers there, and we didn't finish this one, but we're gonna grab this sticker so we can just mirror it. Okay. Yeah, that is gorge. And so I also like to kind of at the bottom, if we can add some more little floral decor, I like to do that. So we're gonna do that right here. And we're gonna snip this off. Snip, snip, sniff, sniff, pass. Okay. All right. So that's all it takes. Like, that's it. I am done. We cleared 2 sticker pages out of this book. And that was the Live, Love, Posh sticker book and Posh Blooms and Icons. All right, so that's for the daily scripture writing. This is for the sermon on Sunday. And this is for Congregation Bible Study, Numbers 32 and 33. I'm all set for this week for my spiritual routine, and I can't wait to write in it. Now my biggest challenge is, are we gonna write in purple and pink? Or are we gonna write in black? What do you guys think? Leave the comments below. Well, I hope you enjoyed this faith plan with me. If so, don't forget the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. And before I see you next weekend or next week, I wanted to write May 17th through the 23rd. And then I also want to put that we're going to do Numbers 32 through 33. And that's it. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you next week for another edition of Faith Friday. Ciao, Bella.
Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching. Perfect.